Hello, and welcome to Recipes with Ben. The video today was inspired by an Instagram post I saw from Sam Adams a few weeks back, where they were making frozen popsicles with one of their beers. So I thought, what a great idea, and I want to try it out myself. So I'm here to show you through my whole process of making beer popsicles. So without further ado, let's get in the video. Okay, now that the popsicle is out of the mold, time to give this a taste. And I think the basic thing you need to understand is that if you just freeze a beer, it'll taste just like it did when it came out of the bottle. So the quality of the beer really does matter. For this double IPA, it really just tastes like a frozen icy version of the Voodoo Ranger. It's not bad, but I totally think it could be improved. So let's make a beer mosa with this popsicle. Okay, after we blend up this beer mosa, let's give it a taste. It's got that slushiness from the popsicle, balanced with that nice, fresh orange juice, and a little bit of sweetness to help balance everything else together. I really think that the combo is a beer plus a sweetener plus some kind of fresh citrus. Alright, it's time to try the second version of this. And right away what I get is the brightness from the fruit that blends with the citrus. It has a texture that relates similar to a freezer pop, but I think the flavors blend really nicely with each other. I think the sour, fruity beer that I chose for the base was an excellent choice. But let me know down in the comments what kind of things you like to add to your popsicles. Thank you so much for watching, and if any of this was helpful, smash the like button. And lastly, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss the next one. And have a wonderful day.